Hi everyone. Have an excellent morning dears. I am your English teacher S. Savita. Today we are going to see chapter 4 poem The Fox and the Grapes book exercise. Shall we start dears? See the first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Listen dears, first we have to read the options carefully, then we have to choose the correct answers, isn't it? Okay, see the first question. What does the fox mean when he says that the results were much the same? A option, the fox was able to reach the bunch of grapes. B option, the fox ate all the grapes himself. C option, the fox could not reach the grapes. Children, which one is the correct option? C is the correct option. The fox could not reach the grapes. Children, finally what happened in the story? The fox could not reach the grapes. This is the correct answer for the first question. Shall we move to second question? The purple cluster means A option, the purple colored berries. B option, the purple colored grapes. C option, the purple sky. Which one is the correct answer? Option B is the correct answer. The purple colored grapes. Listen my dear students, in this poem what they explained about the purple cluster. The purple cluster means they will denote the color of the grapes. The purple colored grapes is the correct answer. Are you understand? Okay, shall we move to third question? The leaps were desperate and high because the fox was A option, extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. B option, hungry and the grapes were not very high. C option, neither hungry nor fond of eating grapes. Children, which one is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. Listen my dear students, tempting means what? The grapes are, it is very nice to see, no? So it is very attractive to that fox. So it is called extremely hungry and the grapes were very tempting. Are you understand? Okay, fourth question. By saying the grapes were sour, the fox meant. Option A, that the grapes were too sour to eat. Option B, that the grapes were beyond his reach and he did not want to admit defeat. C option, that he was not interested in eating them anyway. Which one is the correct answer? B option is the correct answer. That the grapes were beyond his reach and he did not want to admit defeat. Listen dears, the fox was trying again and again to reach the grapes, but the fox could not reach the grapes. But it satisfied with itself. How they satisfied? The grapes were sour, like that it is satisfied, but it not accept his failure. It not admit his defeat. So B option is the correct option. That the grapes were beyond his reach and he did not want to admit defeat. Are you understand my dears? Next we going to learn answer the following. First question. Why did the fox faint? Answer. The fox fainted because it was very hungry. Listen my dears. The fox was very hungry. Why? Because it is on summer time. No food, anything in the forest. So the fox fainted because it was very hungry. Are you understand? Shall we move to second question? Did the fox get the grapes? Answer. No. The grapes were too high to grab it. So the fox did not get the. Listen students, in this poem the fox was very hungry. Why? Because summertime it is no food to eat in the forest. So the fox was very hungry. On that time the fox was crossing the grapes garden. It was very attractive to eat. So the fox was decided to eat the grapes. After that, it is try again and again to reach the grapes, but the grapes were too high to grab it. So the fox did not get the grapes in this poem. Or you understand, children? No, the grapes were too high to grab it. So the fox did not get the grapes. Students, next we are going to read chapter 5, the guest lesson question answers. Shall we start, my dears? See the first Roman letter. Answer the following. First question. How was Nasruddin treated at the gate the first time? Answer. Nasruddin was rejected by the servant and he did not allow Nasruddin to go inside. Listen, students. Nasruddin was rejected by the servant. Why he rejected? Because he not come with the proper dress of Nasruddin. He put a ugly dress, shabbiest cloth, and he looked like a beggar. He came to the feast. So the servant was rejected the Nasruddin and he did not allow to go inside also. Are you understand? Answer. Nasruddin was rejected by the servant and he did not allow Nasruddin to go inside. Next we move to second question. Did the rich man recognize Nasruddin the first time? Give reasons. Answer. No, he did not recognize because Nasruddin was dressed very poorly. Do you know, children, why he not recognized the Nasruddin? Because Nasruddin was dressed very poorly, very shabbiest clothes he wore and went to the feast. So only the rich man was not recognized the Nasruddin. He changed his costume as a beggar, then he moved to the feast. So only no one will recognize the Nasruddin. Are you understand, children? We next move into third question. Why did the rich man hang his head in shame? Answer. The rich man hung his head in shame because he gave importance to outward appearance. Do you know, children? Listen, at first time also Nasruddin only came for feast, but the rich man see the outward appearance, so he sent away. After he wore expensive clothes and ornaments, again he came for feast to rich man's house. So then he accepted the Nasruddin to the feast. So only the rich man hung his head in shame. Are you understand, children? Answer. The rich man hung his head in shame because he gave importance to outward appearance. Listen, my dear students. I think we completed lesson 4 and 5 book exercise and answer the following. So hereafter daily you have to study and write and show to your parents. Are you understand, my dears? Thank you.